it's very interesting that when we're looking through functional medicine, a study found that the gut microbiome plays a very key role in the release of bile. For bile to flow out from the gallbladder, it requires a balanced and diverse microbiome. So if the microbiome has become tipped towards dysbiosis, where the pathogenic bacteria are higher than the beneficial bacteria, this too can impact bile flow, and therefore it could be a reason for high cholesterol. So it's really important to consider this fact, especially if you've had several rounds of antibiotics. And I just want to caution that we are living in an age where AMR or antibiotic resistance is really at its highest level. Impact to the microbiome can prevent bile flow. Prevention of bile flow can raise chronic inflammation because the bile is not there to alkalinize the acidic food. The body is not able to break down and metabolize fat, so there'll be elevated cholesterol. So all of this plays a very key role.